What if you could earn $150 by pressing a button and watching a simple video? What if all you had to do to make another $100 was like or comment on a video? What if you could do all of these simple tasks on your smartphone in just a few minutes a day to make real money online over and over again? You can withdraw cash in a number of ways, including through PayPal, cryptocurrencies, and bank transfers. I'll show you how to set up a free account on this brand new website that no one has heard of yet. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll give you a bonus that lets you make an extra $50 every day without doing any work. Let's start watching. Pay close attention because this will be a brand new website that no one else has heard of. The name of the website is Paidwork, and you can find it at paidwork.com. Here's something I want you to look at. You can make money on this website in 5 different ways, as you can see. First, you can visit different websites and look at different videos and ads. Second, you can leave an engagement on social media. All you have to do to make money is like and share videos. Let's use this short video as an example. You can get paid to watch it for a few seconds. If you want to earn extra money, you can like the video by clicking the like button, leaving a comment below, subscribing to the channel, and continuing to make money on this website. Next, we can do some simple surveys, which is approach number 4. They are very easy and good for people who are just starting out. I'll give you some examples in a moment, but as a last resort, you can set up a new, simple account for free and sign up to get bonus money. Make sure you don't miss the unique bonus and surprise I'll tell you about at the end of this video, because it will help you earn an extra $50 every day. On the home page, you can see that you can do it on any device, like your phone, computer, or tablet, and start making money online. You can be sure that this is available everywhere and that you don't have to spend any money on it. So again, this is pretty much how it works. Step 1 is to choose a way to make money. There are a lot of ways to make money on this website. You can pick any one of these 5 ways to do it. Step 2 is to start doing the jobs you've been given. Step 3 is to start working on the jobs you've been given. Step 4 is that you'll get paid when you reach a certain threshold. You can now get paid every day within 24 hours, thanks to this brand new website. To sign up for a free account, just click the sign up icon at the top. This link will take you here. Enter your email address and password, then click the Next button to log into your brand new account. On your dashboard, you can see how much money your estimator has made. Since this is a new account, you won't see any money at first because you haven't done any jobs yet. Don't worry though. When you start making money, it will show up on your dashboard. Make sure you check your email address next. Then, check your email because this company will send you a verification email. When you click on that, your account will be activated and you can start making money. Next, I want you to click this Earn button over here on the left. If you do this, you'll be taken to a page where you can choose from different ways. Here are the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth ways that I showed you before. This is interesting, so let me tell you about the first way to make money, which is to look at websites, videos, and ads. To do this, just click the green button that says Start Earning. This will take you to the page where you can do this. From there, you can start making money by clicking on different ads. Now, if you click on Earn, as you can see here, a new window will open. Again, don't worry about it. You can finish this on a computer or a phone. You must now look at this page until the timer goes off, as you can see. This won't take more than a minute. To prove that you are a real person and not a robot, all you have to do is look around this website. Don't just stay on one page. Before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the video so far. Please leave a comment below if you thought this video was interesting and helpful. Let me show you something else. When you click the Earn button, you might be taken to random YouTube videos like this one. To start watching the video, all you have to do is click the play button. You must keep watching until the timer runs out or you won't get paid. Let's look at the second sentence, leave social media engagement. All you have to do to get to this page where you can leave multiple comments on different social media sites is click on the Earn button below. You can see from this article that there are a lot of ways to make money online. On YouTube, for example, you can watch videos, subscribe to different channels, and like more than one video. All of these things are very easy to do, and anyone can do them without any special skills by just clicking on the links. Let's say that if you click on this YouTube Views button, it will take you to a random YouTube video, and all you have to do to start watching it is click on the play button. You can change the quality of the video to 144 by clicking on the gear settings. This will let you watch the video faster and save data on your internet connection. Go to the video and like it if you want to make more money. You can also click the share button, which will show you a link to the YouTube URL. To share the video on Facebook, Twitter, email, or any other social media platform, all you have to do is click the copy button. You can make more money by not going to those events. There are lots of ways to make money, like writing comments or reviews, filling out surveys, making simple accounts, and signing up for other people's newsletters. Let's say I click this button to fill out surveys. It will take me to this page where I can do simple tasks on Google Forms, Pulfish, and SurveyMonkey and get $2 to $3 for each one. This is easy to do, and you can do it in your free time. You can easily put this software on your phone right now by downloading it. For example, you can make money if you go to the Google Play Store and look for the app called PaidWork. If you download the app, you can start making money right away. Again, at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus site where you can make money just by watching videos. But first, let me show you how this bonus method works on PaidWork. As you can see, all you have to do to get an extra 13% of the commission is tell a friend about this site. Now, all you have to do is copy your unique referral links from right here and give them to other people to start making extra money. As I said, if you stay until the end, I'll show you a bonus website that gives you an extra $50 every day. So, that's all. Check out my other videos if you like videos like this one. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below. The next video will be up soon.